What if I told you that the difference between a meme coin that dies quietly and one that explodes overnight is not luck, but how well you engineer attention before anyone even knows what you're building? In 2026, meme coins are not just jokes anymore. They are carefully designed attention systems driven by timing, psychology, and community behavior. Most people launch and hope for hype, but the real game is creating demand before supply even shows up. So if you want to understand how this works deeply, subscribe to this channel because we break down strategies most people overlook. One of the smartest moves is creating a mystery phase before launch, where you drop hints without full explanation so people start speculating for you. Instead of promoting directly, build inside jokes in coded language, so early followers feel like insiders while others become curious to join. Another strategic move is controlling perceived access, making participation feel limited. Invite only, or time-sensitive to trigger urgency. You can also design your meme to evolve over time, allowing the community to remix it and spread it in different creative ways. A powerful tactic is anchoring your coin to a trending moment, so it feels connected to something already happening instead of random noise. Instead of chasing a big audience, focus on a loud small group because a highly active 100 people can outperform a silent 10,000. Create early micro wins for your community, so people feel rewarded for engaging even before any real profits exist. Another uncommon move is structuring your launch in phases, revealing information gradually to keep attention growing instead of fading. Timing your content drops is critical for momentum, because attention multiplies when you align with peak activity periods. Make your idea easy too. Explain in one sentence, because if people can't repeat it quickly, it won't spread. At the core of everything, you're not launching a coin, you're building curiosity, participation, and momentum around an idea. Now think about this carefully. What unique angle would make your meme coin feel impossible to ignore?